Hi, my name's Sandy Kennedy and I'm with NovAtel. We're known primarily for being receiver manufacturers, but we're also known for doing GNSS INS systems, our SPAN systems. And this year at ION GNSS Plus 2018, we are talking about our new SPAN CPT7. Many people will remember the original SPAN CPT that was launched back in 2008. And if you remember that, it was a lot bigger than this and a lot heavier than this. And this is our new generation of the SPAN CPT, featuring our OEM7 generation of receiver inside, as well as a new IMU. It's a Honeywell HD4930, which is a fully commercial IMU from Honeywell. Really happy with the performance with it. The OEM7 receiver inside is actually a dual antenna input, so you can have two antenna to provide a heading solution to initialize that IMU inside of there, so you can have an instant initialization. So that's a OEM7720 card running inside of there, and in general our OEM7 generation of receivers is also advancing its interference toolkit that's running on board. So the interference toolkit running on board now has some very advanced interference detection, and it can essentially act like a spectrum analyzer for, well, a GNSS receiver as a spectrum analyzer, because it's able to tell you what the absolute power received is. So it's a fine detail, but for the interference detection nerds out there, it's a pretty cool thing. And our mitigation capability is also advancing in there. And then lastly, we have a demo running on the other side of the booth using our new user application that allows you to write a Lua script and run it on our OEM7 receivers. So no compiler required, or a really straightforward one, cross-platform, and it allows you to configure the communications and interfaces of the OEM7 receiver however you like. So it's an interesting set of offerings building on the OEM7 generation.